The brand is made in the USA and is a part of Daikin Global, but they are only sold through their authorized dealers. They feature louvered panel construction, which does a superior job of protecting the condenser coil from hail and debris from lawnmowers. They have durable scroll compressors with variable speed blower motors for efficient operation. The units use all aluminum evaporator coils which resist corrosion, but they use R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R32. They offer optional electric heat kits in sizes from 5 to 20 kilowatts, and the units are backed by a good warranty, but they are relatively loud in operation with sound levels of up to 80 decibels. The GPC-H3 models are for slab mounting and have a 13.4 SEER2 efficiency, while the GPC-M3 models can be field converted from roof mount to slab mount. The GPC-14M models can be roof or slab mounted and have a 14 SEER rating, while the GPC-15H units are for slab mounting with a 15 SEER efficiency and a better guarantee that includes a 2-year unit replacement guarantee in case of compressor failure.